I'm Open National Trainer Brian DeVore, and today I'm going to show you how to take a hoodie like this and turn it into a ball like this to use for soccer or volleyball skills. First, I'm going to lay my hoodie all out so it's all stretched out with the arms apart and the hood out straight. I'm going to take one side where the arm is, and where the arm meets the hoodie, I'm going to fold it in. Then, about halfway down the sleeve, I'm going to fold it in, making a little diagonal crease there, right straight down the middle of the back of the hoodie. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Fold it in halfway, make my hand, get that diagonal crease, and fold the other sleeve in. Now I'm going to follow the rule of thirds. I'm going to divide this hoodie into 3 sections. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to fold in 1/3, then the other side fold in the other third to make a straight line. Now I'm also going to do another section of thirds. So I'm going to fold it 1/3, 1/3, and the final third will be at the edge of the hood. So I've got 1/3 and 2/3 and 3/3. So the edge is right where the hood meets. Now I'm going to take the hood, I'm going to wrap it around the rest of the hoodie. I'm going to fold it in tight. Now this hoodie has the drawstrings. If your hoodie doesn't have the drawstrings, it's okay, you can still do it. Your ball will just be a little more loose. I'm going to go ahead and tie the hood nice and tight so it stays together. Once I get the hoodie tied, I'm going to take the strings and I'm going to tuck them inside the hood so they don't get in my way. Then I can shape it a little bit more like a ball, and I'm ready to play some soccer. Making a hoodie ball is a great way to get some PE equipment at home if you need it. You can use it to play soccer, volleyball, or any other game or activity where you need a ball. Just make sure you check with the adult who takes care of you to be sure it's okay to use your hoodie. And if you have a hoodie that zips, just zip it up before you get started and you can use that too. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you in physical education class.